Chapter Nuclei. First heading, atomic masses. Atomic masses. நம்ம யூசுவலா வந்து மாசஸ் எப்படி மெஷர் பண்ணோம்னா இன் கேஜி கிராம்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் மெஷர் பண்ணுவோம். பட் ஆட்டம்ஸ் லெவல்ல போகும்போது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஸ்மால். ஆட்டம் வந்து வெரி ஸ்மால், நியூக்ளியஸ் இஸ் வெரி ஸ்மால். ஸோ வி நீட் அ செப்பரேட் யூனிட் ஃபார் தட். That unit is called as atomic mass unit. We usually call it as AMU, atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. This unit is used to measure mass of atom, mass of nuclei, and so on. Okay, so the unit in which atomic and nuclear masses are measured is called as atomic mass unit. Okay, so within bracket you put AMU. AMU is called as atomic mass unit. Okay, so what is 1 AMU? 1 AMU is 1/12 of mass of carbon 612. This is the value of 1 atomic mass unit. Okay, so 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 is 1 atomic mass unit. Let us calculate that. So it is also denoted as U. It is also denoted as U. See, carbon 12 means this is the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. Mass of 6.023 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms will be equal to 12 grams. Then what is the mass of one carbon atom? Mass of one carbon atom is equal to mass of one carbon atom is equal to, so for 12 gram, this much of atoms. For one atom you should take this value to the denominator, so you will get 12 by 6.023 10 to the power of 23 grams. This is the mass of one carbon atom. Mass of 12 carbon atom, mass of this much of atom is 12 gram. Mass of one atom na you should bring it to the denominator, so it will become 12 by 6.023 10 to the power of 23 grams. This is mass of one carbon atom. Mass of one carbon atom. So what is 1 AMU? It is 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom. 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom. Therefore 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom. Mass of one carbon atom is this. So 12 by 6.023 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. On calculating, we get 1.66 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So 1 AMU is equivalent to 1.66 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Or if you want to write it in kilogram, divide this value by 1000, so you will get 1.66 10 to the power of minus 27 kilogram. So 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.66 10 to the power of minus 27 kilogram. Electron volt. Electron volt. Usually we call it as EV. Electron volt. See, electron volt is the smallest unit of energy. We know unit of energy is joule, but the smallest unit of energy is electron volt. Okay, one electron volt is the energy gained by one electron when it is accelerated by 1 volt of potential. 1 ev is equal to, from this formula itself we can see that 1 ev is equal to 1 times e into 1 times v. When one electron is accelerated by 1 volt of potential difference, it will gain some energy. That energy is equal to 1 ev. So it is the smallest unit of energy. 1 electron volt is the energy gained by an electron. When it is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. So what is energy? Energy is nothing but work done. Work done is nothing but charge into potential. So therefore, 1 electron volt energy is nothing but charge is 1 electron is accelerated by a potential of 1 volt. So 1 electron volt is equal to, what is the charge of 1 electron? 1.609 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 1 joule. So 1 electron volt is nothing but 1.609 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. This is 1 electron volt. And according to Einstein's mass equivalence, Einstein's mass energy equivalence, what is the formula for energy? E is equal to mc square. So m is 1 atomic mass unit. What is m? 1.66 10 to the power of minus 27 kg, and c square 3 into 10 to the power of 8 the whole square. So when you do this, you will get E is equal to 1.49 into 10 to the power of minus 10 joule. And if I divide this value by, when you divide this value by charge of 1 electron, your answer will be converted to electron volt. Now energy is in joule. When you convert energy from joule to electron volt, you are supposed to divide that value by charge of 1 electron. So charge of 1 electron is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So when you divide this value by this value, you will get answer in electron volt. So now your answer is 931.15 into 10 to the power of 6 electron volt. 10 to the power of 6 electron volt. 931.15 in 10 to the power of 6 electron volt. 10 to the power of 6 is nothing but million. So which is E is equal to 931.15 million electron volt.